Welcome back to my channel, Yolanda to Great Hair Care. I'm Yolanda. Moisture is often hailed as the ultimate secret to beautiful hair, but what many don't realize is that too much moisture can lead to troubling consequences. Imagine your hair as a thriving plant. It needs the right amount of water to flourish, but overwatering can drown its roots. This concept applies directly to your hair, where excessive moisturizing can leave it limp and lifeless, transforming your vibrant tresses into a soggy mess. Over-moisturizing typically occurs when hair is routinely exposed to water-based products like leave-in conditioners, deep conditioning masks, and moisture sprays, all without an adequate intake of protein. Picture this. Your hair's cuticle, the protective outer layer, is continuously swelling and shrinking due to an overload of moisture. This leads to a condition known as Hygral fatigue. Just as a rubber band loses its elasticity, your hair becomes overstretched and fragile, unable to hold its shape or bounce back. What was once a head full of luscious curls can quickly become a parade of limp strands, struggling under the weight of their own hydration. As symptoms begin to emerge, you might notice that your curls no longer bounce with joy. Instead, they appear tired and worn. Your hair may feel excessively soft and mushy to the touch, yet it lacks the vitality and definition required for styling. This is your hair's way of communicating distress. To restore harmony, it's essential to realize that hair requires balance. While moisture keeps our strands flexible, protein is what fortifies them. Without a proper reconciliation between the two, your hair is left vulnerable to stretching, snapping, and breaking. The path to recovery begins with adjusting your hair care routine. It's crucial to reduce your daily moisturizing habits. Consider incorporating protein treatments that can fortify your hair and restore its strength. Clarifying shampoos can help remove any product buildup that may contribute to moisture overload. Listening to your hair is paramount. It provides clues to its needs, signaling when it is truly hydrated or when it has had its fill of dampness. By learning to balance your products, your hair can regain its vitality, transitioning from drab to fab once again. So, embrace the power of balanced moisture without fear. Your hair will thank you for it. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.